What supplies should every pop-up coffee stand bring to an event? Every pop-up coffee stand should bring coffee equipment, fresh ingredients, serving items, cleaning supplies, backup power, and safety essentials. Start with the main equipment, including an espresso machine, coffee grinders, kettles, air pots, insulated containers, and a reliable power source if the venue does not provide electricity. Bring fresh coffee beans, milk, dairy-free milk, syrups, sugar, cocoa, tea, ice, water, and simple snacks if they are on the menu. Pack cups in several sizes, lids, sleeves, stirrers, napkins, straws, and bags for customers who take drinks away. A hand washing station. Soap, paper towels, sanitizer, cleaning cloths, trash bags, and food-safe surface cleaner are also necessary. Bring a thermometer because milk can taste burnt when overheated, and many events require temperature checks for safety. One item people often forget is extra filtered water, since water affects coffee flavor and may also be needed for rinsing equipment. Before the event, make a checklist, estimate the number of drinks, and bring enough supplies for more customers than expected, plus backup beans, cups, milk, extension cords, and cashless payment options. A common mistake is bringing too little ice, milk, or cups, so check the event size and pack extra amounts. Another mistake is assuming the venue has safe power, so confirm the outlet type, distance, wattage, and whether a generator is allowed before arriving. Some vendors forget permits, allergy information, or clearly marked prices, so ask the event organizer about local rules and display ingredients when needed. Do not place clean supplies beside dirty equipment, and keep a separate area for waste to prevent contamination. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.